Hi friends, this is Pramit class and I am your math instructor Mamta Mode. Today we are going to discuss the topic area ratio of the area of similar triangles in chapter triangle. Okay, let's see. We will going to prove this theorem. What is the area of two similar triangle? The area of two similar triangle will be equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, let's see. We consider two triangle. We can see here two triangle ABC and triangle PQ and R, and AM is the altitude and PN is the altitude of triangles. AM is the altitude of triangle ABC and PN is the altitude of triangle PQR. So first of all we will write what is given. We have given that ABC and PQ are two triangles that are similar triangles, and we need to prove that the area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is AB by PQ whole square is equals to BC by QR whole square is equals to AC by PR whole square. Okay, now we need to prove this ratios are equal. First of all, ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If ABC is similar to PQR, then by definition of similarity, the corresponding sides are in the same ratio and the corresponding angle must be equal. So what are the corresponding side? The side AB and PQ. AC by PR, BC by QR, they must be equal, and corresponding angle, that is angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. Okay, I have written and given it equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now consider the first part of the first half part of the both triangles. Okay, that is triangle ABM and triangle PQN. As it is clear from observing that angle M will be 90 degree, angle N will be 90 degree at it is a altitude, and angle B is equals to angle Q according to the condition number 2. So by double asimilarity, this upper first half part of triangle ABM and this first half part of the triangle PQR, that is PQN, are similar. Okay, we have proved that both the triangle are similar because one is angle is 90 degree, another angle are equal according to similarity definition. Now see, if they are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same ratio by similarity. So AB by PQ must be equal to BM by QN is equals to AM by PN. Okay, I have given it equation number 3. Now I am taking the ratio on left hand side of the that what we need to prove, that is area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. By definition of area of triangle is half base into height. Then what will be the area of triangle ABC? That is half base is BC into height is AM. What will be the area of triangle PQR? Will be half base, that is QR, and the height PN. Okay, half and half are cancelled out and we get BC by QR and AM by PN. Okay, now we can write it in the ratio. We can also write in the form of ratio BC by QR and AM by PN, but from equation number 1 and equation number 2, AM by PN can be seen from here. What is AM by PN? We can write it as AB by PQ. Similarly, BC by QR. BC by QR are the bases of the bigger triangle, as the both triangle are similar. So the corresponding sides are in same ratio. Therefore, AB it must be equal to AB by PQ. I have written here AB by PQ. So AB by PQ into AB by PQ will be AB by PQ ka whole square. Similarly, we can prove it. It will be equal to, as AB by PQ is equals to, by definition of similarity, it will be equal to BC by QR. I can replace it. Similarly, BC by QR can be replaced by AC by PR. Hence, we have shown that the ratio of similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and you don't forget to press the notification bell for the further topics, and you can go through the previous topic by the link given in the description box. Thank you for watching.